Ever opened your bank app, saw the balance and thought, that can't be right. Somebody hacked me. But no, it was just DoorDash and Amazon and Target twice. We've all been there. But today, we're fixing it. Let's talk about how to actually manage your money better without giving up your life, your fun, or your coffee. Hey, I'm AnthonyDoty, and I'm here to help you automate your routine, manage what matters, and dominate your financial future. One step at a time. Let's get into it. Here's the deal. Most of us aren't bad with money. We're just juggling a million things. Kids, bills, jobs, unexpected school fundraisers, and we've never been taught how to actually manage finances in a way that fits our real lives. But here's why this matters. If you don't have a system for your money will create a system of chaos for you. Stress, overdrafts, the how did we spend that much on snacks, conversation, you deserve better, and you can get there starting today. Managing your finances doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, you only need 3 steps. 1, automate what you can. 2, manage what matters. 3, dominate your future on your terms. Let me break each one down. Why? Because decision fatigue is real. Set up automatic transfers to savings, auto pay for bills, and recurring payments toward credit cards. You'll stop missing payments, stop stressing over due dates, and start building habits without even thinking. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't wake up every day debating it. You just do it. Same with your money. Here's where people get tripped up. You don't need a budget that tracks every breath you take. You need a system that protects your priorities, not your impulses. Try this. Know your top 3 financial priorities, like rent, groceries, and savings. Create a fun budget you can actually enjoy without guilt. Track your spending monthly, not daily. You'll stop feeling like your money is disappearing and start feeling like it's finally listening to you. Think of it like a toddler. If you don't tell your money where to go, it's going to wander off and break something. This is where you level up. Build your emergency fund. Knock out high interest debt. Start investing, even just $20 a month. This is how you turn short-term stress into long-term security. And look, dominating doesn't mean you're rich. It means you're in control. You're not surviving. You're strategizing. Because honestly, we all want to be rich enough to forget our Amazon password and not panic. Let's wrap it up. Automate what you can. Manage what matters, and dominate your future with confidence. What's one thing in your finances you wish you had more control over? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone, and I'll give you a tip that'll help. If you're ready to stop stressing and start winning with money, book a free consultation with me today. Let's build a system that works for your family and your goals. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating, step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.